What if I told you? What if I told you that one of these side hustles made me feel rich, while another one made me question all my life choices at 2 a.m.? For the past 30 days, I tested 5 different side hustles. Same month, same person, same energy. No shortcuts, no fake screenshots, no guru nonsense. I spent the last 30 days testing 5 popular side hustles, putting in real hours, real effort, and tracking every dollar. No gurus, no screenshots from my friend, just me, my laptop, a slightly concerning caffeine intake, and a goal. Find the side hustle that actually makes sense in real life. And trust me, the results surprised me. Some were hyped way too much. One looked boring but quietly crushed it. And one I will never touch again. Let me break down exactly what I tested, how much time it took, how much money it made, and which one came out on top. By the end of this video, you'll know which side hustle pays the fastest, which one looks good on YouTube but sucks in real life, and which one I'm personally sticking with even after this experiment ended. And trust me, one result shocked me. Before we start, let me set the rules. I didn't use a massive audience, I didn't spend thousands of dollars, and I didn't magically become disciplined overnight. Some days I was motivated, some days I procrastinated, some days I questioned every decision that led me here, which makes this experiment painfully realistic. Alright, let's start with the one everyone recommends first. Side hustle number 1, freelancing, the safe option. Just sell your skills. That's what everyone says, but nobody talks about the part where you ask yourself, what skills? I made profiles on 2 freelance platforms. I offered writing, basic design, and AI-assisted content. Week 1? Nothing. I refreshed my inbox like it was a slot machine. No messages, no notifications, just silence. Then the offers came, and they were insulting. One guy wanted a full project for $10. Another said, "This will be great exposure." One asked if I could do a free sample, then disappeared. One person asked if I'd do a $200 project for $15 for exposure. I laughed, then I cried, then I declined. By day 11, I thought maybe freelancing only works for people who started in 2016. But I stuck with it. I lowered my expectations, I tightened my offers, I stopped trying to look impressive and just sounded human. Then it happened, my first real client. I undercharged, I over-delivered, and I triple-checked everything like my rent depended on it. Then another client came. Then another. By week 3, I wasn't celebrating, I was stressed. Messages, deadlines, revisions. If I stopped working, the money stopped too. Final numbers? $420 earned. Freelancing works, but you don't own it. It owns you. And that matters later. Side hustle number 2, print on demand, expectation versus reality. This one almost got me. Every video says the same thing. Upload designs and let the money roll in. This one looked easy on YouTube. Just upload designs and let the money roll in. Yeah, about that. I created a small online store selling t-shirts and mugs. I used trending niches, memes, and even some motivational quotes that screamed hustle culture. The setup took longer than expected. Designs, mock-ups, product descriptions, then ads. I spent actual money here, which instantly raised the stakes. So I did it. T-shirts, mugs, trendy phrases. I spent hours tweaking designs that nobody would ever notice. Then ads, because without ads, nothing happens. Week 1, 0 sales. Week 2, 1 sale, refunded. That refund felt personal. By day 3, sales finally came in. I got excited. Then I checked ad spend. That excitement died instantly. Print on demand isn't passive at the beginning. It's testing, failing, and burning money while hoping something hits. Final numbers? $120 spent, $180 earned. It can work, but for beginners, it's way harder than it looks. Side hustle number 3, affiliate marketing, the patience game. This one felt smarter. No product, no shipping, just recommending tools I already used. I posted content on social media, wrote short reviews, and answered questions in forums. No spam, no link in bio desperation. 2 weeks passed. Nothing. No clicks, no sales. Just me questioning if anyone was even seeing my stuff. Then one morning, I woke up to my first commission. It wasn't huge, but it hit different. I made money without actively doing anything that day. That moment changed how I viewed income. But here's the catch. If traffic stops, income stops. Final numbers, $105. Slow burn, but scalable. Side hustle number 4, reselling, the realest hustle. This one got physical. Thrift stores, clearance racks, online marketplaces. I researched prices in parking lots like a maniac. Some wins felt amazing. Some buys were straight up mistakes. One item sat for weeks. One package got lost. Shipping costs humbled me more than once. But overall, it worked. Buy low, sell higher. Old school, but effective. Final numbers, $340. Not passive, but honest money. Side hustle number 5, digital products, the game changer. This one scared me the most. No boss, no client, no guarantee anyone would buy. I created one simple digital product. It solved one problem, that's it. I used tools, templates, and yes, AI to speed things up. The first few days, silence. Then one sale. Then another. Then a moment I'll never forget. I checked my dashboard and realized it sold while I wasn't working. No emails, no meetings, no shipping, just leverage. Final numbers, $1,120. That's when it clicked. The lesson is, anything that separates your income from your time will win long term. And here's the part no one tells you. You don't need to quit your job. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start and stick with one thing longer than most people do. If you're watching this thinking, I could actually do that, then this experiment already did its job. If this video helped you, hit like. If you want more real experiments like this, subscribe. If you're still watching, you're not lazy, you're curious. And curiosity is where all income starts. Subscribe for real experiments, not hype. Because the best side hustle? It's the one you don't quit when it gets boring.
If you want more real experiments, subscribe. Click the button now. Thanks for subscribing.